Here in our training and research center, we have all the key components of a coffee plant. We have, for example, traditional drum roasters here, like Roastmaster 60 and 20, and a coffee grinder and a smaller one for doing upscaling. We could help our customers to improve product quality, for example, to find the right settings for a roasting curve, like the slope, the air-to-bean ratio, the roasting time and degree. And in grinding, we can help our customers to find the right particle size distribution, which at the end means the end product could be improved. To really catch the target of the customer, it's mandatory that the green coffee beans are here in Uzwil, and if possible a reference to catch. And with knowing the feasibility of our machines, we can help in finding step by step the perfect flavor profile for the customer. During the coffee trial, we really want to be hands-on and on the same page with the customer. Our goal is that at the end of the day, the customer is able to operate, to maintain and to create recipes by his own. When it comes to timing, it makes sense that you come at an early stage of the project to us to conduct trials. Especially if you're new to the coffee business, it makes sense to figure out what machines you really need. However, if you are not new to the business, it could make sense for process optimization or optimization of your products. Come to our application center in Uzwil. We will be happy to advise you.